Let's try to crank it. Oh my God. Oh crap, nothing. As you can see, there's a chain and the hammock straps we used to tow this thing home. Oh, why'd you break down on me? The problem with having to check your engine is moving all that crap. I hate doing that each time. I think it's the computer. I'm not for sure, but let's take a look and try to figure this out because I'd like to go camping. Stay. Why do I think it's the computer? Because of the same symptoms I had last time when the computer tore up. I checked the coil and it had spark because it shocked the crap out of me. Everything seems to be in place. So I was just stopped to take some photos. And then when I started to take back off, it sputtered and then it would not hit at all. And then sometimes it would hit and then ran sporadically. Since I've got it back from being towed out, put the battery on charger, let it charge back up, tried cranking it this morning and nothing, won't even hit. So being that my dad has a 1984 Vanagon, we're gonna go swap his computer with mine and see if that's the problem. You may be wondering, does your dad know you're swapping his computer? Maybe, maybe not. Will he find out? Probably, but he's gone for right now. Crap. So got it out. So let's go crank it, see if it cranks. hooked up. I mean, I don't know. I think I might have to give it a complete tune up. See if that helps. But first, I'm gonna unplug that computer, plug mine back in, and see if that was my problem. So when I was touching the coil wire, it was eating me up. I don't know what's going on. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Let's try it. Let's plug in the old computer and see if that was a problem or not. Crap if I know. In the woods, or sitting there, I turned it over a million times and would just barely hit. I have no clue. None. I'm basically clueless. Alright, let's start, let's get another strimmer cap and some other stuff and exchange all that out. Let's see how that does. So, put new caps, plug, rotor, button, and it will crank up and run, and then it just cuts completely off. It's like it's not getting any fuel. Like it'll run for a while, then it'll just completely just shut down. And I don't think the fuel pump's ever been changed on it. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm gonna say no on the fuel pump. Let's go order one. So here we are. Follow my social media, Instagram. You know that Bus Depot sent me somebody else's order, and they made it right. Sent me a fuel pump. I think that's my problem is because I think it's just working when it wants to work, and it's caused me to be stranded in the forest there, national forest there for a while. But let's try to get this put on tonight before the rain starts here, so I can get back camping. And don't give me too bad of a hard time because I can't seem to find anything out here tonight. Oh my God. Yeah, maybe I should just cut that. Well, after doing a little struggling with that side, basically had to cut it. I didn't get it filmed. I forgot to cut this thing off. Let's see if we can get this side off too. Awesome. Wow. How in the crap am I going to get that out? Oh, shoot. Let's see. That was some rotten rubber. I'm gonna say these were original. I guess we'll soon find out. I'm gonna say this is the original one. I really can't tell. But it's been on there a while. Come on. Well, I guess I done it. Let's clean up these brackets. They look horrible. So it took me a while, but trying to get it mocked up to go back on. I had to cut another piece of hose. As you can see what I had on here. And then the other ones, yeah. You can see they're different, so I might have to replace those. And there's nothing like watch a little Me TV, Andy Griffin, while you're working. But let's see if we can get this thing on. Watch me struggle. It's cold in here. Let's see. Let me get the wire cutters and cut that back so we can get to some good wire. It's got two coatings on it. Oh, shoot. Did I take? Heck no, I didn't take. I guess I should have washed underneath my bus. With all this crap falling down. Oh my God. Holy crap. Huh. Some looby-doob on it. So, I might as well replace this while I'm down here. To go westy. So let's put it on, take the old one off. I can see gas in it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. See it swivel in there? Should it run out? Oh my God. Nothing's easy. Huh. There's gas in it, but it's not pouring out. It's kind of weird. Oh, there we go. God, my hands are so dry from this gas. So, as you can see, it's just, there's gas in it, but it's not coming out. Maybe we can see. Looks like it might be a little bit stopped up. Got everything hooked up. I still need one of these power steering brackets for the top. I guess I only ordered one. And I need to zip tie this up. I'm paranoid, so I zip tied this up. But let's see if it fire up. Let's see what it does. It cut on. Okay. So switched the wires because they didn't have a plus or negative. Let's see what it does now. Wow. That was it. It's running. I can't complain. So let's get down there and button everything back up again. Well, it's pouring to rain. Remember this, if you're messing with the Bosch fuel pump, the smaller screw, smaller nut is the hot. And the large one is the ground. I learned that the hard way tonight. So, let's chill out by the fire for a minute before we put the van up out in the other barn. And hope you enjoyed this video. And hopefully I'll be back on the road this week. So I'll see you. Bye.